Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we are going to assign permissions in vCenter to security principals that are located in our Active Directory domain. The first thing I'm going to do is allow the administrator user in the Active Directory domain to manage my vCenter server. I already have a session open into my management workstation, and within that I have a vCenter session open. I'm going to select the vCenter server and click on permissions. We can see the list of different users and groups that have permission within vCenter and what permission level they have. I'm going to click the plus sign for add. I'm going to select vclass.local from the user dropdown, and I'm going to choose the administrator user. Once it's finished doing the lookup, we see that we have administrator and administrators in the dropdown. I'll pick administrator. And we want to propagate to children, meaning that this permission is going to be inherited by all of the other objects within vCenter. And the role we want to assign is administrator. We can, of course, pick any other role that we wish from the list, but administrator is the one that we want. Click OK. And we will see once that permission gets created that will show up in our list. And that's done. Here is administrator in the vClass domain, has the administrator role on this object and all of the children. That means that I can now log into vCenter server using the administrator account on the vclass.local Active Directory domain and administer everything within the server the same as I can do with the administrator in the vSphere.local domain that is created within vCenter server. We'll take a look at that in another video. For now, we also want to take a look at how we create global permissions. The way we're going to do that is start by going back to the menu and administration. Once we're in administration, we see under access control something called global permissions, and I can select that. And I'm going to add a global permission to this, the same as I did before. I'm going to click the plus sign for add. I will select the Active Directory domain from the dropdown. Again, I'll use the administrator account. And in this case, what I'm going to do is choose the role of Content Library Administrator, meaning that this user will have this role. They'll have all the permissions or privileges associated to administering the content library. And once again, I will click OK. And that new permission is now created. Here we see the administrator from vclass.local content library role, and this is global, meaning that it's going to apply to everything within our environment. That is a wrap for the video. Hopefully this has been helpful for you, and we'll see you next time.